In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Kobo Desktop app. We'll use your browser's built-in install page as app option to create a clean, app-like version of Kobo that opens in its own window, sits on your taskbar or dock, and stays out of your regular browser tabs. This works best in modern browsers like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge on Windows, macOS, or Linux. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Kobo desktop page. Make sure you're on the legitimate Rakuten Kobo website and that you see the secure lock icon in the address bar. Give the page a moment to fully load. Some install options only appear when the site finishes initializing. Next, look to the very top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is the main browser menu where additional tools and options live. When the menu opens, move your mouse to hover over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Depending on your browser version, you might see it labeled slightly differently, such as Save and Share, but the idea is the same. You're expanding the area that contains the install option. Within that expanded menu, click Install Page as App. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the installation. You can usually edit the app's name here if you want something short and clear, like Kobo. Then confirm to install. The browser will create a standalone window for Kobo and, in most cases, add a shortcut to your Start menu or Applications folder. You can also choose to pin it to your taskbar or dock for one-click access. Once installed, the Kobo app will open in its own streamlined window, without the browser's tabs and address bar. This gives you a focused reading and library management experience that feels like a native desktop app. If you want to launch it later, look for the new Kobo shortcut where your apps are listed, or use your operating system search to find it quickly. If you don't immediately see Install Page as App, make sure your browser is up to date and that you're on the main Kobo desktop page rather than a support article or subpage. Some browsers also show a small install icon near the address bar when a site supports this feature, so keep an eye out there as well. That's it. You've turned the Kobo website into a desktop-style app using your browser's install feature, giving you a tidy, dedicated window for your Kobo experience. Enjoy your reading.